All right, guys, we are here at Pop Shelf, and we're going to be doing something really cool. It's called... All right, so we got to be creative because we have 5 kids and they're all going to shop at the same time. So here are the rules. We're going to walk into Pop Shelf. They have 5 minutes to pick out a gift under $10. And if they don't do it in under 5 minutes, we walk out of the store and they don't get anything. So do you think you can do it?
Yes.
Rylan? Yeah. You think you can do it? Do you think we can do it? Let us know. All right, you guys ready? Let's go. Let's go ahead and do it. Let's go.
Close the door.
Let's go. All right. Let's do this. You guys ready? Okay. Register. You have 5 minutes. Okay. We're not shopping for ourselves. We're shopping for our Secret Santa.
Oh yeah, Rylan's music for Richard too.
All right, you got yours? Who's that for?
Ray.
All right, let me see. All right, let's go ahead and pay for it. All right, who did you have? You can't say it. Ava's here. Let me see.
Go.
Okay, who did you have?
Rylan.
Okay.
What?
Who did you have? All right, who did you have?
Angelee.
All right, let's do it. Scan. I know, I do the same thing. Hey, what is it?
It's $10.
10 bucks? Who do you have?
Ava.
Ava? All right, let's go. All right, go ahead and scan your item right here. All right, ready to pay?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, you guys all ready?
Yeah.
You guys all got your stuff?
Yeah.
You excited?
I'm excited. So excited.
Come on, Rylan. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
All right, guys. I think it was a success.
Definitely.
Does everybody feel like you got what you wanted for that person?
Yep. And as soon as we get home, I'm gonna wrap this up.
We got to wrap them, too.
Yeah.
Got to make sure we wrap them. Seatbelts on. Seatbelts on.